There's a place on Earth so deep and so hostile that for decades, scientists believed life simply could not exist there. No sunlight, no warmth, only crushing pressure and endless darkness. This place is known as the Mariana Trench, and at its deepest point lies a world that was never meant to be seen. For years, the ocean's deepest regions remained untouched, not because we didn't want to explore them, but because we couldn't. The pressure at those depths is beyond comprehension. More than 1,000 times the pressure at sea level. Enough to crush steel, enough to destroy submarines, enough to turn the human body into nothing. So naturally, scientists assumed one thing: nothing could survive there. They were wrong. In 2014, a deep-sea expedition lowered a specialized camera system into the abyss. It was engineered to endure the impossible. Hours passed, nothing appeared. Just darkness and silence. Then suddenly something moved. At first, it was barely visible. A faint shape drifting through the black void. As the camera adjusted, the shape became clearer. A small, pale creature, almost transparent, floating just above the ocean floor. It didn't look like a predator. In fact, it looked fragile. Almost too fragile to exist. This creature was identified as a snailfish, living at depths exceeding 8,000 meters, where pressure should collapse biological structures. Its body contained special molecules that stabilized its cells. Its bones were soft and flexible, its tissues gelatinous. As more footage was reviewed, they noticed something else moving in the darkness. Dozens of shapes. They were amphipods, deep-sea scavengers. Some were unusually large, almost the size of a human hand, waiting for something to fall from above. Because in this world, food is rare. This discovery revealed a functioning ecosystem. Without sunlight or plants, this world survives on death. In 2017, scientists returned. Using advanced deep-sea traps, they managed to bring one of these fish to the surface. Chou de la Paris soirée, the deepest fish ever recorded. A creature that rewrote everything we thought we knew about life. In 2019, explorer Victor Visovo descended nearly 11,000 meters inside a submersible called Limiting Factor. For hours he sank, deeper and deeper, until finally he reached the bottom. What he saw was not what anyone expected. Yes, there was life. Strange, pale organisms moving slowly across the seabed. But lying there, in the deepest place on Earth, was something else. Plastic, human waste, a bag, debris. If pollution had reached the bottom of the Mariana Trench, then nowhere on Earth was truly untouched. Scientists estimate that we have explored less than 1% of the deep ocean. Less than 1%. That means for every creature we've discovered, there could be thousands more hiding in the dark. Creatures that have evolved under conditions we barely understand, perhaps already watching from the depths. Because in the end, the deep ocean is not empty. It is a world waiting to be discovered. And perhaps we are not ready for what's still down there.